The main point here is a lot of businesses have seasonality or are related to weather situations that we do not control. Now, in the past 4 or 5 years, maybe they have very consistent or even growing revenue and profits, and that feels great. But when you're buying seasonal vacation businesses, or ferries that only go in water that's not frozen half the year, in this case, a hail repair business, you don't control the hail, don't know when it's coming, can't deal with it or make any money if it's not there. And frankly, if hail hits somebody's car, they're not forced to fix it. So you don't really have a date driver on sales. This tale is sad because this buyer didn't make a lot of mistakes. They got hit with a lot of crap that was unfortunate. And I think the main takeaway is just when you're buying these sort of seasonal, cyclical, hand of God related businesses, you have to pay lower multiples, you have to structure higher seller notes because there's things you just cannot control. But that bank wants to control your payment every month. Your employees need payroll to hit every month. You have to figure this stuff out. If you have to fire people during slow seasons, if you have to go from employees to contractors. So despite you not having control of sales, marketing, or revenue, you have control of cost, profit, and cash flow, and that's a really tough position to be in. Make sure if you're buying one of these businesses, either you're way better capitalized than just the money you're gonna put into this, or you've considered and modeled and cash flow modeled the realities of a business like this that can go up and down.